everyone, this is Pretty. Welcome to my channel. This is Foshan today. And now I'm in the showing room. There are so many beds and beddings. And now I'll introduce some of them to you. As you can see in this bed, they are not very cozy and they are very comfortable and cozy. Well, when I sit in it, it's not very soft and mild, but it's just so. But the color there, I very like it. And let's see some other products. For this one, the color there is very beautiful. It's not just the pure white, but white, and it gives me a sense of elegance and luxury. And when I sit it, it's more softer than the formal one. It's more lower than that one. So it's not my favorite because I like the higher bed. But it's very soft and the material there is very good. So, I like that one. We can see this. The material here is outstanding. Yeah, and the color there is very simple, but it's cool, right? And one, the color there are more various, and I like the green plain there. It adds a little more energy. I really want to put one in my bedroom. And let's try it. Oh, it's so soft and it gives me a sense of warmth. I like it really. And let me show you something else. Let's see one. Oh, you can see that the pictures there, the decorations there, they're all very beautiful, right? And what is outstanding is the night table there. And it's different from the normal one. As the normal one is like that. The usual one they are standing on the ground, but this one is just like flying in the sky, right? And the ball here, is actually a light. It's also very beautiful. And as for the green, I like this kind of dark. It's my favorite color. Wow. And maybe it's made of fabric. So when I touch it, I feel the little tough. These are all the things about their showing room, so fantastic and outstanding, right? So now I'll show you their factories. I know you can't wait. So now follow me. Let's go. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Pretty from Foshan today. And today I'm coming to a bag factory. Wow, it's really huge and they have so many materials and workers there. Just come with me and I'll show you. What is it? Come on. Wow, you can see there are many workers and they are all doing different things because they have their specific works there. But it's a little noise, but all the things they are in order. And let's see, workers there, what are they doing? Maybe they fix the ladder with the spoon, but I don't know, but it's a skillful thing. Let's see something else. The workers there, he is adding the nail. Yes, adding the nail. So it has the beautiful surface. And now let's see something else. Unfinished furniture, and they're all just parts of the bed. This one, I think, is just the forehead. And as for this one, I think it's just the headboard. Can you see it? They are sounding some music, so it adds a romance to the workshop here. So let's see something else. Wow, you can see that these furnitures, even though they are unfinished, I can see that they have very beautiful colors here. And the workers here, he is doing the same thing. One is also adding the nails to the bed. And let's see this place. And just come on with me. This is a small warehouse because there are all kinds of finished furnitures. As you can see, it's very solid, and even though it's a little tough, but the touch is perfect and outstanding. I like this kind, and the color is also what I like. And you can see they package the furniture very well being shipped to outseas and maybe just indoors. I don't know, but they have so many orders there. Come on, me. I think the workers there, they check the furniture, all the things after they finish, they will be sent to this place, and the workers there, they'll check the quality to ensure that it's okay. Wow, so many things. They must be very busy day and night because there are so many things, right? And as you can see, the package here is also of high quality because it's very deep. The package back here is very deep. Now just come on with me. Oh, they are a little busy, so let's don't disturb them. Wow. Even though there are so many storage furniture, but they are put in order. So you don't need to worry that your things will be missed, sent to other people. Me. We are to the end now, and maybe that has other places I'll show you. And now we are in one of their workshops. Oh, it's awesome. It's really, really huge and so many things there. As you can see, there are some materials. This is the foam, and in that place, wow, I think it's so high quality because I see it and I touch it. Wow, it's really, really soft. So the batch of them, they are of high quality, right? As you can see, this is a worker working there. They are very busy. I don't know what you like to see. If you want to see more, please leave your message under our video and I'll lead you to see more, okay? And now just follow my path. I'll show you what I like, okay? Let's come in this way. Wow, they're all parts of the batch. As you can see, maybe is the body of the badge, and they are all swam by the foam. So maybe with this, they can ship the products to their owners without destroy. And now I'm in one of their workshop. Oh, it's very huge there. Just follow me. I'll show it. You can see that the workers there, they are very busy. And you can see the sound is wong wong. Oh, I like the hand making in this. It's very interesting. Even though the work may be very hard every day, but with this small manufacturing paper, it will add them more interest, right? The workers here, they are very skillful, and they can use the machines very well. Whoa. Let's don't disturb them. Very busy. Let's come to this place. There are more furniture. Wow, the materials there, they are all kinds. And wow, just coming to this. It has a big machine, and you see that a worker here, maybe he is putting the material here, and the material can do it automatically. And let me ask some questions to the workers there. 请问您现在是在什么？裁皮是吗？那它是自动的，还是说需要您自己做？半自动的。哦，哦 ，yes, it's automatically, and they are cutting here. You can see, he put it and do it itself. So it is the efficiency of the factory. Wow, it's so amazing, right? I didn't see before. There's a lot to learn from me. Wow. And as for this place, you can see there are all kinds of materials here with different colors and patterns. Wow, amazing, and open my mind. Just follow me. Oh, I know there's some molds of the bag there, and with these molds, you can have different kinds of bags. Wow, so these are all about the factory, the bag factory. It's huge, and they have all kinds of professional skilled workers. Wow, it's not my wildest dream, right? So you like it, if you like me and my channel, please give me a thumb up and subscribe our channel. And the next time I'll show you to other factories. I know you are waiting to it, right? So that's all about today. This is Pretty from Foshan Today. Foshan Today, the ultimate guide to Foshan Furniture Market. So see you next time. Bye bye.